Hi everyone, welcome to CyberTechies channel. So today I'm going to show you how to enable ADB settings in Firestick. So just go to home screen, then scroll up and select the settings from top menu and go to My Fire TV. Go to developer options. You need to make sure to enable these two settings. It will be off automatically when you first set up your Fire TV stick. So make sure to enable these two. This is for installing external application APKs from other sources. So when you make sure when you enable when you try to install any application, it will fail first time. So you need to make sure to enable these two settings to work the new external applications. So make sure to enable these two settings from the Fire TV settings developer options to install any other external APKs. So that's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe and share this video.